Hi guys, this is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify, my YouTube channel. Today video I'm going to make it a very quick video comparison of electric cars and why you should think about having an electric car. Okay, I drive every day almost 120 kilometer back and forth to my work, and that's my most of the commute in my working days. And today I'm driving uh, Audi A4 and I'm spending like fuel for 4,000 Swedish crowns. So I have done some calculations. So I start to investigate that if I have an electric car, how much money I will save every month and over the year and over a couple of years. So during my research, when I was looking for the electric cars, I have tested Kia e-Niro, which is recently launched, and it gives you a range of above 300 kilometer. Then I have tested BMW i3, which is quite a weird looking car, but I kind of like it, the feel of driving it. And it has a different levels of range. You have a 60 and 92 AH battery, and then it comes also with the extender. It actually has a generator engine in it, which produce electricity for the battery if you run out of a battery. And then there are some expensive options like Tesla. Of course, Tesla Model 3 is cheap, but it's not that cheap actually. So, and then if you buy Tesla used, that is also quite expensive, still quite expensive. And then there is a Polestar 2. A Volvo company has announced Polestar 2, and it will be available in 2019. A very beautiful car, but it starts from 60,000 euros. So there are few things I have learned during my research that what you should be thinking of if you want to buy electric car. One is that you need to define why you are buying an electric car. Are you a environmental enthusiast and you want to save environment, or you are a long commuter and you want to save money also? So what is the purpose of, or you just want to have a nice car like Tesla, a trendy car? So what is the purpose of you switching to an electric car? The second is that if you evaluate the economy around the electric cars, you should think about how much it is going to cost you to own an electric car and how much you will save in terms of not using a fuel but electricity over 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Do this comparison. When you are planning to switch your electric car, it is in 2 years, 3 years, 7 years time, then you will find out how much you are paying upfront to own an electric car and how much you will save in your case in those certain years. So then you will have this calculation, exact calculations. Okay, this is the money I will save or not save. So what I found is the best way if you want to go for electric car is to find used electric car but with low mileage, because electric cars has all their value in the batteries, and batteries get old, and their performance is based on how many number of cycles of charging you have used on those batteries. So that was one thing. So if I have tested Kia e-Niro, it is completely different style and class. I'm not saying it's bad, but it is not my type. And then I have tried BMW i3, very nice car. I liked it. I like the feel of it. I like it's a quite weird looking car. Look at this, but it's very spacious and it's a good car for commuting every day. And then Tesla, I have not even tested it. I know it's a very nice car, but it's quite expensive, so I'm not even shortlisting it. So I don't know if I will move to the electric car. There is also another factor you need to find out. Okay, what will be the value of your car, second-hand used value of your car after 3 years, 4 years, 7 years? When you will sell your car, what will be the value left in that car? So compare all that money with the economy you are. And if you are more interested, I can post some calculations based on how much you drive and how much you could save, or how much it will cost you upfront, and then you divide it by the number of months you will use it and see that what will be the actual cost. It is not only the money I want to save, or I want to be I want to save environment also, so all that stuff. So think about it. I don't know if I will switch or not, but I'm doing this research and it's quite interesting, all those facts. So if you like this video, please comment what you want to know more, because I have been doing a lot of research. I've been going to those cars and checking the quality of the car, how does it feel, how much space, all that. So if you want to know more, leave the comments. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel, and tell me if you need to know any other topics. Might be I will make a video about it. Thank you. Bye bye.